of cuteness and chaos. Picture this, a fluffy kitten, wide-eyed and curious, pouncing on a rogue piece of string. Instantly, you're hooked. The secret lies in their unpredictable antics. One moment they're adorably napping, the next they're launching themselves off a couch like a furry rocket. Add in some relatable humor, like that classic cat versus cucumber moment, and you've got a recipe for internet gold. The best part? Cats have this uncanny ability to connect with us. Their quirky personalities reflect our own, making us laugh and feel understood. So, whether it's a slow-motion leap or a dramatic fail, remember, it's the joy and surprise that keep us coming back for more. Cats truly are the kings and queens of the viral world. Its own. Have you ever wondered what makes cats so special? These fascinating creatures have been companions to humans for thousands of years. Did you know that cats can make over 100 different sounds? Unlike dogs, who primarily bark, cats communicate through a variety of meows, purrs, and even chirps. Their purring is not just a sign of contentment, it can also promote healing and reduce stress. And let's talk about their incredible agility. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in a single leap. This is thanks to their powerful leg muscles and flexible spine. Plus, their whiskers are not just for show, they help them navigate tight spaces and gauge distances. Then there's the infamous cat nap. Cats sleep for about 12 to 16 hours a day, which helps them conserve energy for their playful bursts. Each cat has its own unique personality, from the aloof loner to the affectionate cuddlebug. No wonder they've captured our hearts.